Your dropshipping store is shit. Yes, believe me, it's totally shit. That's why people are not buying from you. Keep asking yourself, oh, my dropshipping store, oh, I have a good product. I run a perfect ad, I've paid, I have high impression, I have high click-through rate, but people are not buying simply because they don't trust your dropshipping store. Yes, your dropshipping store doesn't speak of trust. Your dropshipping store is always bleaching and bleaching. It's not giving authentic. It's not well branded. It's not it's not giving original, it's giving amateur, it's giving reaper, it's giving criminal. Well, I may be wondering why I'm saying all this. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how a perfect dropshipping store looks like and how you can also make your store look like. Believe me, I'm using myself as an example. I'm taking you guys right to my store that is currently active and still making my sales daily. And this is the store we are going to be used. But before that, if you know this first time coming to my content, kindly click on the subscription and let us know where you're watching us from. And one thing I want to let you know is that if you are doing drop shipping, you should understand that after getting a good product, learning about how to run ads, creating a good store that people trust with the right colors combination, with the everything just being intact, whether it's payment or delivery, or whether it's even payment on the site. If someone trusts your store, the person will be convinced to put his card and pay. Yeah, that's all. Oh, yeah, this store is look authentic. He or she will put his card and pay. That's what you should understand with your shipping store, and that is how it is. Well, let's cut a long story short. Let's go in and show you what your shipping store will look like and how it should expect it. Let's start. First of all, go to my website, which is ifit.com.ng. Before we go, let me show you something. Okay, let me go to the store first. This is my website. See, showing founded by Fire Mobile. This is my website. Let's go a glance through. Learn more. Free delivery orders above 50k. No question asked for subscribers. See, this is not a perfect e-com social look at. These are testimonials about us, useful link, privacy. All these are links. If you click it, they always go. The year it was created. This is a perfect e-com store is. This is our home, obviously. Ultimate pay relief website. Click on learn more now to talk to you about the shop and the products. This is a shop. If you click on the blog, take you to the blog. That is the news we have about our products. See, it's our blog post. How many e-com store has blog posts? How many can think of? Now click on contact. It's about the creator, which is me. Here I should have reduced the size of this image so it will not take time to load. Because I'm using a heavy image, that's why it's taking time to load. See it. Want to talk to us, they can write their name and contact. Now let's go back to the store, to the home page. If you click on the shop, you're taken to the shop of this page now. See, if you click on it, quick view, closer look. See, now let's look at the cart. View cart. This is how you know a good store. Processing. This store is linked with pay stack, which means if I can easily just click to pay now. See now, say 5,000, transform. This is the cart. Okay, let's say go back to store. Let's add another product. Let's add this to your one. Add to cart. You see? Now view store. See? That's added. These are international. This is international standard. you proceed to checkout. Now put in contact address, your email. She show you a summary of what you ordered. Shipping rate free, shipping to Abuja. Put your email address, shipping address, put your name, contact. But now give the option of cash on delivery, or you can pay with Paystack. You can do cash on delivery, you can pay with Paystack. See, once you click on it, you place an order. Okay, let's say click with Paystack. Show you guys that it's working. Place an order. Okay, I need to fill out these details. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see a random store. So, city, Georgia, phone number. See? See? When you click on flat rate, the thing is changed. We ask shipping. This for people who are staying outside Nigeria. When you click on free shipping, it come down to free. See? This is this is a working. This is perfect e-com store. Please order. I click pay with card, so I'll show you how payment is. And then bring it to Paystack where you can then make payments. See? And then pay with card, pay with this, pay with. This is a perfect e-com store. Well, let me show you something. If you're in the perfect e-com store, how you know that your site is authentic, as in like the speed. The loading speed matters a lot. Come to this website, page speed insight. You put on your website. Dot what's the name? Dot ifit dot com dot ng. We're analyzing it. This site is created by Google to analyze your site, the speed of your site. Because if a customer comes to your site and your site is taking time to load, customer will easily leave. It's diagonizing it, because if the customer come and the site is taking time to load, that is one of the main things that reduces your click-through rate. Because once the customer leave your ads and come to your site and your site is taking time to load, the customer will just leave. Now see, stability 95, perfect. SEOs, which means it has a top ranking possibility of hitting. If I use Google ad now, if I was running Google ad, you should go to get me my perfect customers. Best practice 100, performance 68. This is a mobile view. See, now it's also showed me some errors, what I can work on. Largest content footprint elements, minimize main trade work, save image in next gen. See, it's time to reduce that image I was talking about or making it in load. So things I can, once I do this now, my percentage here will increase. Most of this when I was creating the sites, but I'll do that later some other time. Now if we click on text of view, text of view give me 96, 96, 91, 100. I'm killing it in text of view. It's perfect for text of view, which means it's a perfect site. This I know that this site is 100 over 100. See my performance in site. So you know about building sites, about do you know that about getting the perfect site. Now let's try and show you to another, maybe another site. Let's go to Facebook library and just click a random site and show you how it is. I just want to come to a site now, then check it. Any e-comp site or say e-comp product. Let's see. This one sells hair. Shoes might not really have a site. I need something that has a site. Print anything you need in seconds. Okay. All these guys don't have sites. Which one that has a site? Which one that has a site? Science WhatsApp. Most Nigerians don't even do sites because I think they are just small businesses and stuff like that. Okay, let's use a popular brand we all know, but don't show them all. Here's a popular brand we all know. ifitness.com. Actually, it's iFitness, but their site is not. It's not given. I think they have worked on it though, but let's just see. Okay, ifitness.ng. Okay. Before we come to this side, let's check what they are rating here. My own is 96 and 67, right? 96 and 68. Let's check ifitness.com. Let's analyze. See, to tell you, it's not really. It's not even mobile view friendly. See, okay, let's type desktop. This site was. It's still loading, but let's go to the site and see how it is. The site is not bad, but I don't know why it's giving a bad rating. Let's go to their store. It's loading. I think their store is advanced. The store wasn't giving. See, it's taking time to load. See, it's too heavy. It's too heavy. A lot of it shall reduce the quality, the image quality of all these pictures. It's taking time to load. See, it's taking time to load. Taking time to load. But I think it's not still bad though. But see, but okay, see it here. Mine was 98. Their own is 94. Not bad. See, it's 56. A lot of things they can do to this here. Tell you, my site is even better than iFitness. On how big iFitness is, my own is better than their own. So this is how a perfect e-commerce dropshipping store is, and hope you learn. We actually do build dropshipping store for customers and clients. Just message us through the email or chat us on what's on Instagram, and we'll get your dropshipping store ready for you in 1 week. Thank you.